Welcome to the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. Today I'm going to share with you another rice and bean recipe that is to die for. Today I'm going to show you how to make Arroz Mamposteao Puerto Rican style. So what exactly is Arroz Mamposteao? Basically, it's what you do with leftovers. That's just plain and simple. In a typical traditional Puerto Rican household, rice and beans is typically served every day. And so we always have leftover rice or leftover beans. Sometimes we have both. And so this is what this dish is comprised of, bringing together leftovers. So the first thing that we're going to do is, with the leftover rice and leftover beans, I am going to go ahead and cook some bacon until the fat is rendered. Once the bacon is the fat is rendered from the bacon, as you see here, I am going to remove the bacon and set it aside. We are going to use the rendered fat to cook in our vegetables. So the first thing that I'm going to use is about half a cup of Cubanelle peppers. I love using Cubanelle peppers in most of my dishes because it has a somewhat mild sweet taste with a bit of heat, but not too overpowering. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to add it to this bacon fat so I can cook it along with half a cup of red onions. Red onions also adds a mild sweet taste to your dish, similar to yellow onions, and so I love using the purple onions. So I'm gonna go ahead and let these veggies cook through. Once I cook these veggies through, I also switch pots because I'm gonna add my leftover rice later, and I don't want to scrape this new pot. But anywho, that's just a little sidebar. Next, I'm gonna add some garlic paste and I'm gonna add some homemade sofrito to this dish. This is definitely gonna add some flavor to the rice, as well as some yellow mashed plantain. A quick side note, I had already pre-cooked the maduros and I chopped them up and as you see here, and I'm also bringing back the bacon that I cooked earlier, and I'm gonna mix all of these ingredients together. If you like this video, take a moment to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. Now it's time to incorporate those leftovers. I'm gonna go ahead and get my leftover beans and I'm gonna add it and mix it well with the rest of the ingredients. Now, did you know that in Colombia, Mamposteao is the equivalent to recalentado de arroz, which they use the leftover rice and beans from the night before, but instead of serving it for dinner like we do, they serve it for breakfast. Anyway, that's just a sidebar for you guys and a fun fact. So I am gonna go ahead and incorporate my leftover rice, making sure that I keep my flame or the fire or the heat down to a low heat. At this point, I do not want to have my rice and this mixture get overcooked, although once everything is mixed, you can turn the heat up to a medium-high heat so that you can make your concon, as some people may call it, or arroz pegao, which is just when the rice gets a little fried and crispy at the bottom. Now, however which way you want to call it, arroz pegao, concon, no matter how you want to label it, this is a staple in the Puerto Rican household. This is so delicious. Look at this rice. It is ready to be served up. You can serve it up with any protein of your choice. And you can make sure to slice up some aguacate, which is some avocado, and that's it. Dinner is done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you get to try out this recipe. Leave a comment down below if you ever tried Arroz Mamposteao. And if you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Again, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Until next time, guys. Bye.